Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Stella Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Tremendous scope, and I have met the IT minister. I have met many senior ministers of the government, and we are working very actively to create a very robust technology ecosystem in Goa for entrepreneurship and startups.
Sir, with your skill development, we are now entering into rural entrepreneurs. उसके बारे में you think Goa has got a good scope, especially with a lot of villages and entrepreneurship?
Prime Minister's vision is that through skills and through Skill India, every young Indian has an opportunity either to a job or to self-employment and micro-entrepreneurship. तो ये थोड़ा हमारे लिए एक मूल ऑब्जेक्टिव है और हम बहुत प्रयास कर रहे हैं.
Sir, you've been very vocal about the data privacy bill. उसके बारे में कुछ you want to say anything more?
We have put a new draft. It is out for consultation. और मैं सभी लोगों को यही सुझाव देता हूँ कि वो पढ़े और उनके जो अगर कोई इनपुट्स हों तो हमारे साथ शेयर करें.